everyone, my name is Cleo and I'm a member of the Insight team. Today I'm going to walk you through the Regents performance feature of Insight. The Regents performance feature is only available for schools that serve 9 to 12 grades. This feature allows you to see how student cohorts are performing on Regents and Lotte exams. For students who have taken an exam more than once, the scores represented on this page are the student's best score. You can choose one or more cohort to start. By default, all cohorts will be selected. Then you can choose an exam from the Choose a Regents exam drop-down menu. The default is Algebra 1. You will see two charts for each exam. The first chart is percent of students in each score band. This chart includes only students who have taken the exam at least once. Here in this chart, you can compare your students' score bands to all students citywide. The gray solid bar will be a citywide comparison. There will be 3 bars indicating students who haven't passed, who almost passed, and who passed the exam. Students who receive the waiver will appear in this separate waiver bar. The second chart is percent of students who attempt the exam, which shows the percentage of students from the selected cohorts who have taken the exam and the percentage who haven't. In this example, 5% of all the students in this school haven't taken the Living Environment Regents exam, and 95% of the students have either taken the exam or received the COVID-19 Regents waiver. Similar to some other features in Insight, Regents Performance also has a student list section on the right side of the page to help you dive into student level data. Click on any of the element on a chart, you will see which student comprise that element. You can click on more than one element to see the students in both categories in your student list. You can sort the student list by student's last name or by their exam score. To clear students from the list, either Xing out a filter from the student list, or click again on a previously selected bar, or you can click Clear List. Once you have a list, you can move your list to other features in Insight or download it as a CSV. For example, I clicked the orange bar to see students who have scored within the 55 to 64 score range. Then I can export the list as a CSV or open it in the downloader to add additional data to my list. Then I'll keep these students on my radar to ensure that they attempt the exam again in order to achieve a higher score. You can change the bar chart to show ESSA accountability level rather than exam scores under the Select Score View section. After choosing ESSA accountability level, each exam will have 4 bars to indicate the performance levels each score falls into, as set by the New York State Education Department. Please note, these scores are used to determine composite performance for New York State accountability and should not be used to calculate ESSA designations. You can also add a subgroup by clicking the Add Subgroup button. Then choose one or more subgroups from the menu. Here I'm going to pick female students with disabilities. Click Submit, you will see a new set of 2 charts added to the page. In the new bar chart, the solid bar are all students in the selected cohorts in your school, and the diagonal hashed bar are students in the subgroups I picked. This bar chart allows you to compare your subgroup students with all students in your school. Again, you can click on any of the bars to get a student list on the right hand of the page. You can add as many subgroups as you want, or remove a subgroup if you no longer want to see that subgroup's data on the screen. That's all for this feature, and thanks so much for joining.